In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine sections in a constant contact email. If your email feels a bit busy or you're seeing too much empty space, combining sections can help you simplify the layout, improve readability, and keep your design consistent. We'll walk through the process from opening your campaign to previewing the final result so you can clean things up without losing any important content. First, open the email campaign in constant contact that you want to refine. Head to your list of campaigns and select the one you're working on so you can make changes directly to the existing design. Next, click Edit to open the email builder. This is where you can see your email exactly as your audience will, with all the text blocks, images, buttons, and spacers laid out on the canvas. Take a second to let the builder load fully so you can work smoothly. Now review the sections or blocks you want to combine. Look for places where two blocks do the same job or where content is split across multiple rows that would make more sense together. Pay attention to background colors, padding, and fonts so that when you merge content, everything still looks cohesive. It helps to imagine the final section as a single story. Headline, supporting text, image, and a clear call to action. When you're ready, move text, images, or buttons into one section. Use the drag handles to reposition blocks and drop them into the target section in the order that makes the most sense. If you copy and paste text, keep an eye on formatting so fonts and sizes match. When moving images, confirm they maintain the correct alignment and proportions, and make sure any alt text still reflects what the image shows. For buttons, verify the label is clear and that the button sits close to the content it relates to, with consistent spacing above and below. Once everything you need is in one place, delete the extra empty section or spacer. Click the section or spacer you no longer need and use the trash icon to remove it. If you notice unexpected gaps, check for leftover padding or an extra spacer hiding between blocks and remove it as well. Finally, preview the email to make sure the layout looks clean. Use the preview to scan both desktop and mobile views, confirming that text stacks logically, images scale nicely, and the spacing feels even. Make small adjustments if needed until the combined section feels polished and easy to read. And that's it. Your email is now streamlined, consistent, and ready to impress.